Hey everyone, looking to boost your Shopify store's visibility and sales with minimal effort? Easy ad, Easy ads for Shopify can help. In this guide, I will walk you through how to set up and optimize easy ads for your store, even if you are new to advertising. Okay, Easy Ads for Shopify is an app that automates your advertising across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and more. It uses your product data to create ads that are tailored to your store. So you don't need to be an expert to start running ads. It's an all-in-one solution to help you reach more customers and to grow your business without the um, complexity of traditional ad setups. To now installing easy ads for Shopify. To get started, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and then click on apps, then search for easy ads for Shopify in the App Store and click Add App. Once installed, you will be redirected to the Easy Ads setup page. After clicking Install, the app will sync with your store and automatically import your product catalog for easy ad creation. Now that the app is installed, let's create your first ad campaign. In the Easy Ads dashboard, click Create Campaign. You will be asked to choose the type of campaign you want to run, such as Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or Google Shopping ads. Let's start with Facebook. Choose Facebook ads and then select your goal, whether it's brand awareness, traffic, or conversations. Next, set your target audience. You can choose custom demographics like age, gender, and location, or let easy ads use automated targeting to find the best audience for your products. Set your budget and decide when you want your ad to run. Set your budget and decide when you want your ads to run. Easy Ads will handle the optimization, so you don't need to worry about adjusting bids. Now it's time to create the ad itself. Easy Ads automatically pulls product uh, images, descriptions, and prices from your Shopify store, but you can adjust these elements as needed. Edit the ad copy to include a compelling call to action. For example, shop now for 20% off your first purchase. This encourages people to take action on your ad. Once you are happy with the ad, preview it on both mobile and desktop to make sure it looks great. You can make final adjustments before publishing. Once everything looks good, click Launch Campaign. Your ads will be live and start reaching your target audience right away. Easy Ads also provides real-time analytics. You will be able to track how your campaigns are performing, where you are hitting your sales goals, or need to adjust your ad settings. Easy Ads uses machine learning to optimize your campaigns over time. However, you can manually adjust your campaigns if needed. Check your campaign performance and try different variations of your ads for better result. You can also test new ad creatives or update your target audience based on performance metrics like click-through rates and conversation rates. One of the best features of Easy Ads is the ability to retarget visitors who have shown uh, invest in your store but haven't made a purchase yet. In the retargeting tab, you can create ads especially for people who visited your site but didn't complete their purchase. For example, you can show ads offering a discount to users who abandoned their cart, giving them a reason to come back and finish their purchase. After your ads have been running for a while, it's important to review their performance. Easy Ads provides detailed reports on your ad spend, clicks, and conversations. Look for trade, look for trends in the data, like which ads perform the best or which audience segments are converting at a higher rate. This insight helps you fine tune your strategy. And that's it. You and that's it. Easy ads for Shopify makes it simple to run effective automated ad campaigns that drive traffic and sales to your store with minimal effort. You can reach your audience, create ads, and optimize them for success. You, if this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on growing on Shopify store. Thanks for watching.